Hey campers, right now we are lucky enough to have this 1946 Spartan Manor on the lot, and I am lucky enough to get permission to show you a little walkthrough of it. So let's come with me and check out the 1946 Spartan Manor. This cool vintage tin can is still a hot commodity, and there's a few reasons why. So let's go over them right now. Spartan Manor made its debut in the 1940s and offered up to 17 different floor plans. They were a really unique build because they were the first ones to ever bring airplane construction techniques like the self-monocoque. They are a shiny aluminum trailer with that cutting edge look, incorporating all that deco styling. And these were created by the Spartan Aircraft Company following World War II. They have that full aluminum structure, all riveted together. The hidden wheels, like on those old school cars. The double doors, with the door into the master bedroom in the back. And then another door on the other side in the kitchen. We have all these windows wrapped all around. The cool tail lights. Over here's our outside shower. A step down underneath. We have our water connections on the other side. We even have screen doors with little latches on there and snaps. It's so neat how innovative they were for that year. And most of this is stock. We have our step down below, which is an aluminum step. As you walk in, you can just see the colors and all the real wood. Oh, it's so neat. And most of this is original too. So I'm not opening up a bunch of doors or anything. Power in the roof with the vents. All the real light switches and light fixtures. And curtains and windows. That dinette that goes down into a bed. 12-volt fridge over here. Then your full kitchen with all that cabinetry. It's so crazy. 3-burner stove. And their window and overhead cabinets. Storage all over the place in here. And all these doors have little lockers on them for travel mode. It is so neat. Just how smart they were back in 1946. Then we're going into the rear bedroom right now. With that cool dome style ceiling. Storage at the feet. All the windows and lights and plugs and vents. Spot for our towels and our washcloth. Little wardrobe. These even have the little latches on them. So it's not just a lock. You actually have to press the button to open the doors. And this right here amazed me. I was not ready for the size of this bathroom. With the actual toilet, the sink, the medicine cabinet, and the storage cabinet. And then into the kitchen area where we have our sink with the split tubs, our under sink storage, and yep, that iconic turquoise fridge. Seeing the 12-volt fridge in here, I'm not sure if this works, but at least they kept it in here, which is freaking awesome. Bunch of countertop room up here. That aluminum backsplash in the kitchen. It's so neat. This kind of stuff gets me excited just going through it. I'm so thankful he gave us the opportunity to go through and check this out. This is the 1946 Spartan Manor. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. I know this one's more like a short and sweet video, but I didn't want to tamper with too many things because this is a really neat, unique, pretty original camper. So I'm not going to tamper with it. Thanks for sticking around and watching these videos. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I have a lot of modern camper tours. I live in a converted van, and I love seeing you all every week. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.